Welcome to Section 2, Tips to Choose Types of Data Visualizations. In this section, we will talk about the different types of visualizations and how to pick the correct one according to your needs. We are going to see both the general types as well as more specific examples of methods to visualize data. When you think of data visualizations, your first thought probably immediately goes to simple bar graphs or pie charts. While these may be an integral part of visualizing data and a common baseline for many data graphics, the right visualization must be paired with the right set of information. Simple graphs are only the tip of the iceberg. There is a whole selection of visualization methods to present data in effective and interesting ways. Common, general types of data visualizations are considered to be charts, tables, graphs, maps, infographics, and dashboards. While more specific examples of methods to visualize data are area charts, bar charts, bubble clouds, bullet graphs, cartogram, circle view, dot distribution map, heat map, histogram, and mix and match of combination, and a lot more of them. You've got the data and probably you've got a lot of questions. You know there is a chart or graph out there that will show you the data you want to see, but it's not always easy knowing which chart or graph is best without some trial and error. This section will help you pair charts with the type of data you're analyzing, and you will find questions to help you find the appropriate chart or graph for your needs. But we won't stop there. Storing your data in isolated, static graphics limits the number and depth of questions you can answer. Let your analysis become your organization's centerpiece by using it to fuel exploration. Combine related charts, add a map, provide filters to dig deeper, and the impact? Immediate business insight and answers to questions that actually drive business decisions. So which chart is right for you? Transforming data into an effective visualization, any kind of chart or graph, or dashboard is the first step towards making your data make an impact.